will also be going to Katra, where Akansha is reporting currently live from. So right from Srinagar, he will be heading to Katra, where also people are eagerly awaiting for him. Akansha, over to you.
Well, absolutely, stage is all set for Prime Minister to arrive here in Katra. Let me show you around and how happy and eagerly awaiting all the people here. Thousands have gathered here. All the BSP workers and supporters are here. You can hear these ladies singing the local Dogri songs and how excited they are. क्या कहना चाहेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर में?
हाँ जी,
क्या कहना चाहेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर में? कितनी खुशी है?
हम बहुत खुश हैं। हम स्वागत करते हैं उनका कि वो आ रहे हैं। हमें बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो हम
listen to this Dogri song that is being sung by these local. मैसेज देना चाहेंगे प्राइम मिनिस्टर को आने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर में?
मोदी जी आने वाले हैं।
क्या कहें?
हम यही भाषण देंगे कि कटरा में गंडोला नहीं लगना चाहिए और बारीदारों का फैसला होना चाहिए। जे बोले गरीब लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? अगर गंडोला लग गया तो गरीब लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? ये हमारी समस्या है बारीदारों का। यही 2014 में बोला था भाई मसला हल करेंगे। 2014 भी हो गया, अब 2024 है। अगर नहीं मसला हल हुआ तो बारीदार बहुत विरोध करेंगे। ये बात है हमारी बात।
हम भी यही कहेंगे, वही हम बारीदार हैं, हम लोगों का कोई मसला हल नहीं हुआ अभी तक। कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना। और साथ में हमारी लेडीज बहुत कमजोर है, घर से बाहर नहीं निकलती है। लेडीज के लिए आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, लेडीज को सपोर्ट होनी चाहिए ना उनको। अब वो डरी सहमी सी रहती है घर में, आगे आके बोलती नहीं है।
आएंगे कि गवर्नमेंट जो भी हो वो ये
लेडीज की सपोर्ट होनी चाहिए ना। लेडीज को आगे
की लाइन गानी है।
गाइए।
उच्चियां पहाड़ा दियां टकियां ते वृक्ष सब हरे भरे, मां जी दा पवन निराला ते बागा वाले दर्श करे, ते बागा वाले दर्श करे। उच्चियां पहाड़ा दियां टकियां ते वृक्ष सब हरे भरे, मां जी दा पवन निराला ते बागा वाले दर्श करे, ते बागा वाले दर्श करे।
People are there eagerly awaiting for Prime Minister to arrive here in just some time. Let me again show you around and show you how many people have in fact gathered here in Katra to just have one glimpse of the Prime Minister after his rally in Srinagar. Now he's going to arrive in Katra, and this constituency Katra holds a lot of importance because of religious significance. The shrine where lakhs visit every year to take blessings of Mata Vaishno Devi, and even in fact behind this entire area is the famous Trikuta Hill. So this is where the Prime Minister is going to arrive in some time. He will be addressing the people, assuring them that there will be development in this area if BJP is voted to power. Back to you, Amita.
So the land of Vaishno Devi there, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a short while from now will be reaching, of course, when it comes to the mega rally that he addressed in Srinagar. Thereafter will be moving towards Katra, and the enthusiasm can be witnessed on part of the people there singing bhajans and waiting for the Prime Minister's arrival. But Akansha, the main point that the Prime Minister has made, as he is happy to see how impressive the voter turnout has been. As you've been reporting as well, when it comes to the towns there in Jammu, the voter turnout till now has been quite impressive.
Absolutely, and if we talk about the first phase of the election, yesterday we saw that there was a huge voter turnout. 61% of the people turned out in large number yesterday, and there was, in fact, I was reporting from the Jammu division, and there was a voter turnout of over 80% in one of the constituencies that is in the Wal that falls in the Jammu division. But overall, if we see all the 24 constituencies, there was a huge voter turnout that was also seen in 2014. So the Prime Minister has said that this shows that eagerness of the people to come out and elect their leader, and a similar sort of, in fact, this is something that Prime Minister will also be saying in his speech today, asking people to step out. Because if we see in 2014...
heard him make that appeal today as far as he was concluding his address in Srinagar, asking people to come out and vote in large numbers, as he has said that the first phase has been promising so far. We'll be standing by for the Prime Minister's arrival in a short while from now. From Srinagar, he will now be heading to Katra. Thank you very much, both of you, Yavar and Akansha, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We'll be back with more news and updates.